Hey guys, it's Steven. Edward, hey, I'm driving your Defender over to Extreme right now. Watch this. I'm turning around. Well, I guess I can't. Might be able to, hold on. There we go. So we have a back way over here. A lot of my clients trick out their cars over here at Extreme, so we have a lot of fun working together. Still trying to convince them they need a Defender, so at some point we'll make that happen. Maybe this will be the one they'll kind of play with it, fall in love with it, start doing this every day. Hey, you got an activity key, by the way. It came with the car. It's pretty cool. I'll do a video on it in a little bit. There's Extreme right here. I'm gonna break the video here. It's probably about a minute. Bye, y'all. Hey everybody, it's Steven Hill here, your car guy. You're on the lot with Steven Hill. And check it out, we got our very first Defender with an activity key. Let me show it to you. So we got our activity key on the 2021 Defender. This one's got the khaki interior. It's pretty cool. Let's see if I can open this thing up for you. So, hold on. I think I can do this one-handed. All right, so I got the outer sleeve off. It's just a cover. And then you have the box that it comes in. It's kind of like an iPhone box, just real big. And then, see if I can just push this down. Take the cover off. You got your activity key right there. So they're saying that it's shockproof, waterproof. You can lock, unlock, and remote start the car. So no matter what you guys are doing, you don't have to have a key or a traditional key. You can just take this and it could be your key for whatever adventure you're about to have that day. So pretty cool stuff. Please like, share, subscribe. I always forget to tell people that. It really helps me. You are on the lot with Steven Hill.